Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to making the perfect juicy burger right on your stovetop. We'll start with the foundation, the patty. For the best results, choose ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio. This is key for moisture and flavor. Form your patties gently, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. A little trick is to make a small dimple in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging in the middle, ensuring a flat, perfect burger every time. Now let's get that incredible sear. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and let it get very hot. You want to see a slight shimmer. Add just a teaspoon or two of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to coat the bottom. Carefully place your patties in the hot skillet, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare, developing a fantastic crust that locks in all those juices. The secret to a truly juicy burger is simple. Resist the urge to press down on them with your spatula. This squeezes out all the delicious juices. To ensure perfect doneness, use a meat thermometer. For a medium rare burger, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer your burgers to a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, making every bite incredibly tender and moist. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place it on the patty during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt perfectly. Now, it's time to customize. Pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and crunchy pickles. Finish with a generous dollop of your preferred sauce. Serve your incredible, juicy stovetop burger immediately and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.